I really feel this past two generation, what you are giving to the child, I really felt we are giving our child good anxiety and good depression. So if you see this generation, as I'm seeing so much anxiety and depression, where is this coming from? It is coming from as a parents, they are gifting. What is their gifting? When the child is born, the parents' aim is to how to make settle our children. So if you are thinking we have to settle our children, everywhere is hurrying for everything. And I see that worrying will, the child will carry every word to settle down, settle down. One of my uncle was asking one question, wherever we go, we are traveling or anywhere, the first thing we think about where we settle down. If you enter in a hotel, the first thing where we'll keep the bag because we want to settle one. This is ingrained in us through this past two, three generation, I feel. That's the reason lots of depression and anxiety is happening. One of my friend, her son is a doctor, and I noticed in their house they always discuss about doctors, that doctor has studied this, that doctor is this thing. And what the child is noticing, my parents is giving so much respect for the doctors. Maybe when I study this, maybe I will get a respect. And the child is studying, it is very difficult for the child. And this child is a very good singer, he have a capacity of a good content writing, his language is very beautiful. So she had lots of language, lots of quality, he had this all, he kept it in a locker because he don't want to, he want only the respect. How you will get respect? Through his study he will become a doctor. Now this child is studied and he became a doctor. When I was discussing with this friend, she was telling, what we can do with the doctorate, only MBBS, it will not work. Now the child has to study MD, he is in completely stress. After the MD, what he has to specialize. So I really felt he is always in anxiety and depression. He is always in a rushing to settle down, but it is not happening because it is study, study, study. The child is not getting a time that he really enjoys something to do it because of this discussion parents is did in their house. So whenever you discuss about anything in your house, you have to think about your child is listening, and what you are giving to the child, only anxiety and depression. How to become a beautiful anxiety person, or how you will become in a depressive child. And we blame the children. Nowadays the children are getting anxiety, they are into the phone, not only in the phone, or not only the other things are doing, what you are discussing in at home, that also matters. Now if you really feel your child has to be in a better space, first you have to think quality thought, quality things what you are seeing. Even if you are watching YouTube or Instagram, what is the quality subject you are learning? Because this learning really affect your children's well-being. Even if you really want to keep a good relationship with your children, first you change what the thought, what you are seeing, to be changed. When you do the change consciously, you really see the change in your children. So the first person has to change, whoever is watching, change your thoughts and change your habits through this, and pass it to your best friends to become a beautiful change in this world. Take care. Thank you.